In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the delivery date module. So if you want to enable your customers to choose delivery date and time when placing order in your store, you can set up this module. So the first thing you have to do to set up the module is you navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, you select modules. So in the modules page, we go ahead and choose the store design category. And then here we search for the delivery dates module, as you can see it here. So we go ahead and install it by clicking this button. So now that we've installed it, you can see that we have to set up the module. So this is the settings. So the first thing we do to set up the module is we enable the module status by selecting it here. So here we can enable this so that the customer are able to choose delivery date. So we select this as yes, so that it can display in the checkout page. So if we want the customer to also select time, the delivery time, we select yes. So here we'll now proceed to allocate the module so that it shows in the store. So once we select this, it means it will show in the default store. So we can adjust the time zone if we want to set it to our local time zone. So I'll leave it as it is. So let me say I choose Lagos as a time zone. So for this setting, we can go ahead and limit the available delivery dates that the customer can choose. So let's say we make this 1 and 10. So what this means is that the customer will have the option to choose within 10 days from the date the order was placed. So this is what this means. So here we can enable this so that the delivery date and time the customer selects will be included in the order notification email sent to the admin user, but we won't do this. So, and here we can enable this so that the delivery date and time selected by the customer is included in the order comments section in the admin panel. That's the order details page, the comment section. That means the delivery date and time will be added there, but we won't enable this. So let's proceed. So in the holiday section here, we can choose the days that these are the weekend leave days. So we can select this as Sunday and Saturday. So what this means is that the customer will not be able to choose delivery date and time on these days. We can also add holiday dates. So any dates we add here, so it means that the delivery date and time selection will not be available on those days. So, but we won't do that. So we proceed. So this is where we can set this time display type. So let's say if the customer is going to choose the delivery time using a time picker, or we set it up using the admin time slot. So for the admin time slot, we can select it and add the time here. So we can say this as the time. So the number of orders the customer can the number of order slots for this time, we can say 10. So, but for this example, we won't use the the admin time picker. So we just select this as a normal time picker instead of this. So under the language section here, we can proceed to set the default language text that will be used in the delivery date and time section in storefront checkout page. So let's go ahead and do that. So we enter this as delivery date, delivery time. So we can say for the error, we say please enter delivery dates. For the error message, we say please enter delivery time. So for the number of orders error, we say error, we say no available order slots. So once we set this up, we can go back to the previous sections. So if we are okay with the settings, we go ahead and save. All right, so now that we've saved, the next thing we have to do is to check the storefront end. So I'll proceed to add a test order. So let's say we order this product. We select it. So we add it to cart. And then once we add it to cart, we proceed to checkout. All right, so in the checkout page, I'll proceed to add my login details. So once we log in, as I've logged in, we'll now proceed to select the delivery date. So once we select the delivery date, you'll notice that in the delivery method section, currently we've not set up any shipping method, but you can see that the delivery date and time module is now active. So the customer can go ahead and then select the delivery date. So you see that the allocated time slot is 10. So customer can choose within 10 days. And then for the delivery time, you can see it here. So the customer can choose and then proceed. So also, once the customer places an order, if we go to the order list page by navigating to the sales section and select orders. So you'll notice that two columns have been added here called delivery date and time. So whatever the customer fills here when placing the order will be included in the order list page. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the delivery date module. Thank you for watching.